Hey guys, today's video is another Dollar Tree DIY video, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this cute Christmas sign for just $5. Today's video is part of a collaboration video that is hosted by me, Andrea from Clueless Mama D, and we're hosting basically a $5 Dollar Tree DIY Christmas challenge video. So we put an open call to both our social medias and also on our YouTube pages to all of our followers and subscribers to basically join in on the fun of creating some type of Christmas DIY and spending no more than $5 at the dollar store to create it. So after you've checked out my video, there will be a playlist down below in the description box below where it will have tons of video from other YouTubers and Instagrammers that want to share their creations as well. So definitely check out the playlist below once you're done with this video. Now let's get on to today's DIY. So for this sign, I'm going to be using this Valentine's Day love sign that I found at Dollar Tree last year during Valentine's, that you guys have seen me use it before to create that galvanized home sign with that galvanized metal heart that was in the middle that I took off of this sign to create that sign. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below if you want to check out that galvanized home sign. But I'm basically going to take over the leftover parts of this sign and just completely cover it and paint it white to create this new sign. While I'm waiting for the white paint to dry, I'm going to take these wooden letters that I found at the Target dollar spot for just $1 and paint them red. Now, I believe they were supposed to be ornaments and they come in this beautiful whitewash, but I decided that I wanted to have pops of red, so I decided that I was going to go in and paint it this red color that I found at Walmart for just 50 cents. So now that the white paint is completely dry, I'm going to work on the wreath part of this sign that is going to be basically the O in joy. So I'm taking this leftover garland that I had that I got at the Target dollar spot a while back, and you guys have seen me use this little garland to create my latest DIY, which was that little elf ladder with Dollar Tree Jingle block pieces, which you guys love so much. And you also have seen me use the same garland to create another home sign a while back where I used the garland to create an O as well, to give it a more farmhouse look. So I still had a lot left over of this garland, and as you can see, I will be using it for this one and still have some left over. But for this one, as opposed to when I did the home sign, I'm going to make an O out of the garland, but I'm also going to add some berries to it to give it a more Christmas feel, to give this O a little bit more of a Christmas look, to represent joy and the Christmas holiday. And to glue everything down, I'm just going to be using my hot glue gun. So the berries that I'm going to use for this DIY are these berry bushes that I found at Dollar Tree. They come in so many different types of finishes and colors, but I love the red and white ones. So I'm going to use both in this DIY. You can just use one color or either or, and depending on what you already have on hand, you will either stay at $5 or you might spend $6. But some of the things that you'll see me use in this video I already have on hand, like the rope and these berries. So that's why for me, I'm still staying around $5 because I had things already on hand. But if you bought everything individually, you probably would come around $6, but still kind of around your $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge. But you don't have to get the two colors like I did. You can just get one berry bush and just do red, or get white, but I kind of like the look of both of them, so that's why I'm using both of them. But depending on your budget, if you want to stay under $5 or around $5, you would just have to get one of the berry bushes. But again, I like the color of both of them, so I'm going to use both. So I'm just cutting them up and I'm just arranging them around the little wreath the way I want them to. Once the red paint had dried on the letters, now it was time to add it to the sign. And I like to lay out my letters first before I glue anything down, just in case I have to adjust it later. And normally I would use E6000 or that adhesive, that Dollar Tree adhesive glue that I told you I like to glue these things down. But because I wanted this done a little bit faster, I just use hot glue for this video. But I do suggest, if you want to keep this sign for long term, or if you want to make this as a gift for somebody, I would use E6000 or that adhesive glue that you guys have seen me use from Dollar Tree. Now I wanted to cover up the holes that came on the letters because these letters were meant to be basically like ornaments. So I wanted to cover those up and I didn't want to fill them in. I wanted to add like a little decorative touch. So I'm just going to take the leaves that come on these little berries and I'm actually going to cut them to size to fit one leaf on each piece to cover it up because they are kind of long. So I just take off that one that comes with 3 and just cut it down to the size that I need it and glue it down over that hole. Now here's where I'm going to add the little white berries to this sign. Because it was a lot of red already on the letters, I didn't want to add red berries on top of the red letters. So I wanted like a pop of white on the red letters. But again, you can use whatever berries you want depending on what price you're trying to stay in. But like I said, I like the mixture of the red and the white. So I'm just taking 3 of these little berries and gluing them on to that one leaf. Once I was done with my sign, now I wanted to make something for the back. Now you can use anything to hang this, but I kind of wanted to make it more farmhouse, so I decided to use some rope twine, which you can find at Dollar Tree for $1, but I got this big roll at Walmart a while back and I've used it for so many DIYs and it's still going strong. So I suggest that you get more bang for your buck buying the big roll at Walmart as opposed to buying the little pieces that you get at Dollar Tree for $1, but you can do either way. But I'm just going to glue it to the back and use it as my hanging. And that is it for today's DIY, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you liked it, so I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would enjoy. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And definitely don't forget to check the playlist down below so that you guys can get some more great Christmas ideas for DIYs from the other subscribers and YouTubers that are joining this collab. I'm so excited to see what they have come up with because they always give me so many great, amazing ideas. So definitely don't forget to check the playlist down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.